Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to play a game called You Are the Judge. And I am definitely qualified to be judging people, so let's go see what that's all about. Oh, do I have to just... Nothing to be... Oh, so I have to work my way up there? Uh-oh. Okay. I will judge fairly. That's what I have to say to that. Right is right, even if everyone is against it, and wrong is wrong, even if everyone is for it. William Penn. Very cool. Oh gosh, in your youth years, there would be quite a lot of protests against the government in your country. In this case, you used to participate... Do I have to choose? Is this a... Oh, I have to choose. Okay, you used to participate in protests. You wouldn't care about the protests. You find protests unjust. Okay. I'm so confused. So, yeah, I probably wouldn't care about the protests. Used to participate in the protests, did I? No. I would say... I guess it's a hypothetical situation. I was not expecting a questionnaire. I was expecting to be able to dish out the judgment, not being judged myself. Gosh. Okay, yeah, you wouldn't care about the protests. Boom, okay. You had to choose university, and you made your choice. Politics, economy, and law. Law! Because that's what judges do, right? Law, hopefully, I think. You like a girl named Mary in law school. Now it's time to share your feeling with her. You said you loved her, You are hesitant to tell her that you think you are not ready for a relationship yet. Not ready for a relationship yet. Turning your back on a girl like Mary wouldn't make much sense. You left things to time. After college, you married Mary. Oh, okay, but I said so you just decided for me, I guess. Okay, cool. I love it when people make decisions for... Why give me the choice then if you're just going to make me marry the person anyway? As a result of your happy marriage with Mary, you two have 2 sons. Mary told you you would be a great father. All right. After graduating law school, you started working as a lawyer. You chose a field to specialize in. Commercial law, family, criminal law. That's the best one, right? Commercial law, family law. Bah! Commercial law, that'd be kind of cool. It sounds kind of boring, though, actually. Criminal law, that's the one. Although you had difficult finding free time, you were happy to spend Sundays with your family. You would visit your spouse and children every Sunday at the cinema, obviously, or the museum. The cinema, no, movies. That's the one. After practicing law for a long time, one of your best friends, Henry, encouraged you to take the judge's exam. After you brought this subject up with your wife, Mary, you saw her as a little worried. I like how to like remind you, like your wife, Mary, remember, that's the one. When you ask Mary about the reasons for her anxiety, she says, is this something you want? Are you sure you won't neglect your children and me? Ask the question. And you too? This will never be a problem for her and our children. You want such a career and will not give up on it. That it would be better for both Mary and the children. It won't be a problem. You said that although she didn't fully address her... Oops. Mary said that although you didn't fully address her concerns, she would support and always be there for you. Nice. Did I kind of sideline that question? I might have. That's what judging is about, right? Sidelining hard questions or something? I don't know. And the long-awaited day came. Henry, your wife, and the children were waiting for the results to be announced. While waiting for the results... Excited! Alright. Of course I'm excited. Henry comes to you and says, I believe you have succeeded. From now on, the whole new life begins for you, he whispered. Nice. With the announcement of the results, you learn that your career as a judge has begun. Everyone in the house was a great joy. Mary looked a little thoughtful, but she couldn't help but rejoice. Nice. While you were excited about your first day on duty, you heard the horn of your driver coming from outside to take you to the office. After kissing Mary, you took your bag to set off for the office. We did it! We became a judge! Okay, cool. Alright, who do I want? Oh my goodness, there are things here. There's a lot of negatives there. Let's see. Plus money, plus more money, plus Supreme Court relations, minus government relations, plus society relations, plus government relations, minus Supreme Court, more money, plus society, government, less punishment, less money, less government, more money, government relationships, less punishment. I kind of like this guy. Maybe. Wait. Actually, now I'm not so sure. More money. I kind of like the idea of having more money. Supreme Court relationships, minus the government relationship, though. That's fine. Whatever. Oh, there's seasons. Oh my goodness. Human trafficking case. Okay. Done. Get me in there, coach. Wait. Lawyer. I don't know anymore. Bring. Do I have to answer this thing? Hello? Okay, what? I was trying to read the thing. How do I do this? Oh, do I not do this? Chief Justice. Hello, Richard. How are you? Thank you, Minister. I hope you are well, too. Chief Justice. Due to the recent appointments, you'll be starting your first day on the job. Do you feel prepared? Yes, Mister. Chief Justice. I'm glad to hear it, Richard. I have a question on my mind. What is it? Are you aware of the country's situation? Do you think you can handle this role? Oh my goodness, what are we talking about? I don't know what's happened. I've been working in the field of law for a long time. It won't be difficult for me. Your appointment of me is the biggest proof of that. If you don't believe me, then appointing me to this position was not the right decision. I've been working on this forever. Alright, thank you for your response, Richard. I wish success in your duties. Okay, cool. Now what do I have to do? I thought I was doing things here. Click on the flag. Why do I have to click on the flag? Oh my goodness. Do I actually have to, like, know things? Oh no. We're gonna be a terrible judge if that's the case. Corbadell is certainly not a normal country. Its history, in particular, is quite dark. There have been numerous coups in the country's past. The military juntas have ruled the nation. The people have almost become accustomed to the military coups, and it's now certainly a normal situation for them. But it's time for things to change. The country deserves a democratic government. Elections have been held for this purpose, and now there is a civilian constitution in place. The country is governed by the government that has emerged from these elections. This new government has its share of concerns, especially considering the significant power the military has in the country's history. One could say that Kabardi is now looking to the future with hope. After all, there is now a democratic administration in the country. This change has also affected the judiciary. Courts that were once under military control are now conducting trials in accordance with civilian constitution. However, this situation doesn't please everyone in the country, as there is still a significant portion that prefers military rule. While the people are divided on the many issues, their fundamental goal is the unity and integrity of this country. Therefore, when it comes to their country, they can compromise on many of their beliefs. This highlights the extent to which they are a nationalistic society. Although there hasn't been a major external threat so far, there are separatist groups from different ethnic backgrounds within the country. These separatist groups have been one of the country's biggest problems throughout the history. While many people share the common belief that Kobarday's future will be bright, it's safe to say that Kobarday's holds its destiny in its own hands. Each citizen will undoubtedly play a role in the country's future. Moreover, the famous slogan coined by the people after every military coup, "The sole owner of victory is Kobardi," it's still fresh in everyone's mind. Okay, alright, so that's... Why is there... This dude just looks like there's just some random dude standing there. Let's see, oh gosh. Click on the law. Oh, I'm not reading all the... I'm not doing my homework. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. There are so many laws here. I don't... Pass. Okay, we looked at it. Okay, no, let me look at it. Let me actually see. An individual organization committed a crime for human trafficking, blah, 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 blah. Something about illegal human trafficking punishment. A court may select a defendant imprisonment ranging from 3 to 5 years. Alternatively, the court may impose a fine up to $300,000. Discretion to lower or increase amount based on the defendant's behavior in court. Any person who has intentionally caused the death of another person shall be deemed to have committed the offense to homicide. If the crime is murder, considered result, blah, 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 something, religion, blah, blah, punishment, severe, blah, something about more punishment. Crime, murder, committed, sense of brutality, blah, 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 18 years, blah, 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 and increased to 100 years. Holy cow. Prisoners may file a lawsuit at the court against penalties imposed by them, blah, 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 something, legalese, I don't know anymore. Right to the prison appeal, right to the blah, 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 something. I'm learning, okay? Property owners, it'll be fine. That you know what? They always put the important stuff at the beginning. That's all that matters. Examine the phone. A menu? Oh, that's like the actual menu. Okay. Examine the computer. Hello, you need to complete a few steps to set up your system. Sure. Oh my goodness. Please select your profile picture. Didn't I already... Oh. Well, wait, why... Why... Okay. Well, that's the one. Boom. I don't want to use a password. Why do I need a password for? Oh my goodness. That's probably dangerous. Is that like gonna bite me in the butt later? Why? I have a desktop with... Oh, jeez. This is impossible. Let's see. I prepared the documents for your coming case and left them on the table in the courtroom. Additionally, the attorneys are waiting for you at the courtroom to pre-trial hearing. Dear Judge, that's me. We are pleased to welcome your new dirty decision. Will hold great importance to your country's legal system, to our country's legal system. Therefore, we have no doubt that you will make decisions in accordance with the Constitution. Oof. Yes. Hello, sir. I am your assistant, Robin Harris. Oh, thank goodness. I have an assistant that's going to tell me what to do. Firstly, I wish you success in your new role. My role is to provide you necessary information before the case, to conduct the detailed analysis of researching something about decisions to make, blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry, there's too many things. I don't know. I'm going to fail because we're not a very good judge. I do like this, though. It's very cool. Notepad. I may need to meet the Prime Minister more often. I should work on improving relationships within these days. My relationship with the Supreme Court is quite good, but it doesn't seem like I have any problems these days. If I don't resolve an issue with the public, it could be problems in the near future. My spouse gets angry with me on occasionally, but for now, our relationship is manageable. Why is this okay? File a lawsuit. I can file a lawsuit? Oh, Lord. How do I get out of this thing? Okay. Inspector's folder. Is this the document? Oh, please tell me this. Okay, it's only one page. Thank goodness. Dear Judge, our greatest expectations as you participate in upcoming cases is that you make accurate decisions in accordance with our Constitution. If either the plaintiff or the defendant believes that you have made an incorrect decision, they can approach us and we will conduct a detailed review. If we determine that your decision was incorrect, you will face a penalty. The day after cases in which you made incorrect decisions, you will find out why we believe you made the wrong decision by using the file here. Cases in which you make incorrect decision will be reviewed by another judge. We have full confidence that you really made the correct decision, but we deemed it appropriate to provide this information. Best of luck to the Supreme Court. No pressure or anything. Jeez. Okay. Pre-trial. We're doing it. Are you sure you want to go to pre-trial hearing? Sure. I don't know. I hope that Constitution wasn't super important here. Oh, I have to decide. Oh, I have a book here. Okay, thank goodness. All right, talk to the defendant's attorney. Talk to the plaintiff. Hang on here. Let's talk to this guy. My client, Borden Bell, indeed works under the Colbarde Border Command at the border post. Okay? He's a dedicated citizen who is loyal to his homeland and understands the importance of his duties and responsibilities. There is no basis for him to engage in any activities outside his job description. We firmly deny the plaintiff's allegations and request acquittal of my client. What did he do? Or potentially did, I guess? My client, Colbarde Border Command, aims to secure our country's borders by preventing unauthorized crossings. However, it was discovered that the defendant who works at the border post, allows undocumented immigrants who were previously arranged with human traffickers to enter the country during his work hours. You will agree that this is an extremely serious and significant matter that jeopardizes our country's security. Therefore, we request his trial and the imposition of necessary penalties. It says, defendant, Your Honor, Jeffrey Clark has recently started working at the Border Command and is distant from my client's duty area. Therefore, he is not knowledgeable about the incident. We request that you reject his testimony. The plaintiff's attorneys and the client have no objections. Hold on here. Okay, wait a minute. Who's this guy, Your Honor? Jeffrey Clark has recently started working at the Border Command and is distant from my client's duty area. Therefore, he is not knowledgeable about the incident. We request that you reject his testimony as a witness. If you agree to the objection made by the attorney, you check accept box below. If you mark the reject button, you will not accept the objection and witness will be heard in court. Well, give me a little more detail here. Hold on. Like, just because he's far away, that don't mean anything. That doesn't mean anything. Reject! That's how this works, right? I will reject your request. Right? We request that you reject his testimony. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Whoa, okay. You must check the box, but if you mark the reject button, you will not accept the objection, and the witness will be heard in court. Okay. Boom! I'm the judge here. I'll decide what's going on. Oh, good lord. This is this is gonna be a disaster. Ooh, we're playing cards. I love this. This is the best kind of judging I've seen so far. Please choose a card before proceeding. This one! Your relationship with the Supreme Court will increase by 5 points. Oh, okay. Alright. I like it. Bang! That's right. The lawsuit begins. That's right. Everybody sit down. Oh my god. There are like 100 things over here. What do I do? Oh no. Examine the left menu. Examine the television. I can do that. Okay. People crossing the thing. Okay. They're sneaking under the fence. Okay. Nice, nice. Alright. I like it. Okay. Examine the Constitution book. Is that this thing? Oh, Lord. Which one's the Constitution book? What do I have to do? Oh, I didn't even do... Oh. Is that oh, there it is. Let's see. An individual organization commits a crime to human trafficking by transporting people across the border through illegal means or by turning a blind eye to such transportation. Perpetrators of the human trafficking are punished according to national and international regulations. The court may sentence a defendant to a prison ranging of 3 to 8 years. Alternatively, can impose a fine of up to $300,000 discretion to lower or increase the amount based on the defendant's behavior in court. It's discretion of the court. Okay, yeah. Okay, we already read that. Well, see, we did that one, or we knew what we were doing. Check the list. Is this the list? Plaintiff was heard, defendant was heard, witness was heard, files were examined, evidence was examined. Okay, we'll put that back. Examine the pretrial here. Okay, yeah. Okay. Isn't that what we just said? That's the thing we already did, right? That they don't believe may jeopardize yada yada yada. Okay. Good, perfect. Okay. Examine the case file. This thing? Oh, Lord, there's so many things! Give me, like, the expedited version of all this. Jeez. Blah, blah, blah. They allege that one of the officers is involved in human trafficking along the border. They claim that during the work hours, he illegally allowed undocumented immigrants in the country and profits from it. The accused officer, Borden Bell, vehemently denies the allegation and does not admit to any connection to human trafficking. Okay, but what, though? I don't understand. Right. Sure. CCTV footage captures illegal border crossing of immigrant. But that doesn't have anything to do with the guy, though, right? That's it? What? There's got to be more. Witness is heard. Defendant is heard. Okay. You. How do I do? Plaintiff. Courtroom behavior. Respectful. General behavior. Calm. The general behavior is excited. Okay. Notes. Take a note. Can I draw in here? I don't know. Okay. Right. Talk. Make your case. Okay. Drag window endlessly. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. You are accusing the duty officer of misconduct. Do you have evidence to support your claim? What is the content of the camera footage submitted by the court? What penalties does your institution request for the framework? Right. What evidence do you have support? Your Honor. Okay. Upon reviewing our institution's records, it was determined that the defendant was not present at the security booth where he was supposed to be during working hours. Additionally, we have submitted the relevant security camera footage to the court. Okay. Security camera footage was submitted to the court belongs to the security booth located at the border where the defendant was on duty. As you will see in the footage, a group of 3 illegal immigrants passing under the fence beside the booth. Upon closer inspection of the footage, the defendant's duty weapon, which is registered in our command's inventory, is seen leaning against the fence on the ground. And wait a minute, I'm going to go back to that. I'm not sure if I understand. Your Honor, the fact that defendant was not seen in the camera footage does not mean that he did not commit the crime. The defendant is well aware of the camera's location. His absence during the commission of the okay. Mitigation is fundamental right. You can't prove it. Wait. Silence! I am trying to understand what this dude is saying. Gosh. His absence during the commission of the crime is no coincidence. Okay, the presence of the duty weapon right next to the area where the migrants cross, his absence from the post during his shift, and the illegal crossing into our country as the result represent a significant security breach. We request the maximum penalty according to Article something 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 paragraph 3. Oh my goodness, if I don't know what that is, but okay, sure. End listening, because give me this. I don't know. I see the thing. Okay, yeah. 1, 2. Where's the third guy? They said 3. Lies! Oh, is that the third one? No, that's just a looping system. There's only 2. Okay. As I suspected, you're lying and you're gonna go to jail. No, I don't know. Okay, boy, there's a lot here. Judging, that's, whew, boy, okay. What I want to do is we're going to break this up a little bit. I think we could do another one of these and we'll just continue on with the next one. So we are going to have to leave this one here and then we'll pick up with the next one. We'll finish out and see what happens to, what's his name? The dude, Bradian Bell, somebody, Bowden Bell, that's the dude. We're going to see if he's in it or not. We'll decide. We'll judge. We'll see. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying everything. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!